I want the people to know that Africa is on the ascendancy, that there is something to be optimistic about, but that we're not right there as yet. That is going to take a lot more of commitment, dedication, and sacrifice to achieve Africa's goal of development. I want to see, for example, that we have a comprehensive and all-inclusive growth and development in Africa, that we empower the people, the youth, from the cradle, that they have equal access to education, that the health care system is improved so that everybody has got access to the health, that Africa does not just remain an exporter of raw materials, but that we add value to the raw materials that we produce on the continent, and that we make good use of the ICT for the benefit of our people. I think if we address those areas, we are likely to see fundamental changes in our society.